All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is CCV Media Production, Crystal Clear Vision, just to make you see things just a little bit clear. All right, this whole idea for this video is to help you capture your screen, whether you're on Zoom, whether you're on YouTube, whatever it is, whatever screen that you want to capture with video and audio, you are able to capture that using a particular thing on OBS. And we're going to go through it. Let's start from the beginning. Now, as you can see, my cursor, you can see this little pointer right here, right? You see this big black square right here. This is where it all happens. This is where you're going to see yourself. This is where you're going to see the screen that you're going to capture, that you are going to record. Okay, now, first thing first, right? And we're going to build on this, but this is mainly for you to capture a screen. So let's go down here. Follow this pointer, okay? I am going to go in the bottom left. You see where it says scenes? Let's create a scene. You may not, you only really have to do this one time. If you want to create other scenes, that's up to you. So let's check this out. Boom, I create this scene. I'm just going to call this scene recording screen, okay? Or, yeah, recording screen. Recording scenes. All right, here you go. Recording scenes. Now, here's what happens. See, it appears right here. So now look to my immediate right on the sources. Okay, on the sources, there's nothing. I have nothing in there. So you don't have any sources. Click me, all right? So here is what we're going to do. Since we're on this scene, right? This is my regular CCV scene, okay? So this is my CCV setting, okay? When I want to use my other stuff, this is the setting that I go to. But now I'm over here now. I just created something with you. Hope that you followed the steps to create your own scenes. Let me go back to that. Now I'm going to go to my right, and this is my sources right here. What I am going to do now is go on a plus. Okay, I'm going to click on plus, and now you're going to see a litany or a list of things that comes up. All right, it's going to go like, it's going to look like trash. It's going to look like garbage. You're going to go, it's going to look garbled. All right, because you're not going to understand what's popping up here. But what's popping up here is things that you need in order to do the things that you need to do. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, so now you want to capture, because of the thing that popped up, what you want to do is go to display capture, right? That makes sense. You want to capture a display. So I'm going to click on display. On the display, now you see a little box that comes up. This is what came up. And I'm going to name this capture my monitor. Okay. This is what I'm going to name it. Capture my monitor. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to hit OK. And whoa, what happened there? You see a whole bunch of repeating screens, right? This is my laptop, okay? When you're going to capture a display, I'm assuming that those who want to capture their screens just have a laptop. So I am showing you what to do. Okay, so when that happens, I want you to hit OK. This is great. This is a good thing. Hit OK because you are looking at your OBS within your laptop, right? So click OK. All right. Now, how do you fix this? Now, what are you looking at? Okay. So now you see this big square, this red rectangular thing, right? So what you want to do, remember the black square I showed you at the beginning, correct? Just remember that. What I'm going to do is go to my right, my upper right. You see where this is? Now you see how it opens up as an arrow. So that means you could size up the square. So you're going to size it up by holding the mouse button, right? And then dragging it. You see what's happening? You're going to drag it until you could get to the center. But what you want to do is initially get that square right here to come on that black. Okay? So now that you have it on there, you see all this black space that you have here? You want to cover that black space. So you're going to click somewhere within this, right? You're going to click and you're going to drag it up. Boom. Now you see it locks. Boom. It locks. It should do that for you also. All right. So this is my monitor that I am capturing. This is all that you got to do. So now what you want to do is go to, this is my YouTube channel. Okay. On my YouTube channel, I am going to pick a video that I want to record, assuming this is what you want to do. You want to capture a video. You want to capture a call that someone asked you to record. You want to whatever it is that you want to capture. This is what you're going to do. Okay, this is a video that I recorded and someone asked me to capture this video. Okay, so I'm gonna play this video. But before I play this video, what I want to do is go to my OBS. And then I'm going to hit record, because whatever is on the screen is going to record. All right. And you see over here on this audio mix, all I have is my microphone, right? As I'm speaking, you can see how it's bouncing. You may want to mute that when you're recording a YouTube channel. You may just want to record that, because if you're going to record that channel and you're going to speak, it's going to record your audio, okay, as well as the YouTube page. So when you get the output, you're going to see your video, and then you're going to hear yourself talking. So you might want to mute that. And the way you mute that is simply by going on this. Watch my, okay, you see my cursor. I'm going to go down to the audio mix box. And I'm going to go here. So you see right here, when I talk blah, 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 it's not bouncing. That means it is not recording my voice on it. So now check this out. I also got a desktop audio, which means the sound that's coming from my YouTube page is what's going to be audio recorded or captured. Okay. So let me start now by saying start recording. This is what you want to do. You want to say start recording. Okay. Now you're going to go to your drop down. You're going to find your YouTube. Okay. There's a YouTube thing that I recorded. Now, just to make sure that everything is recording correctly, right? You wait for the YouTube to load up. Okay, this is one of my videos that I edited. Okay, so now let's go back to the OBS. So now you can see that my audio, my desktop audio is bouncing. That's being recorded. All right, now you see the repeating screen. That means my laptop screen is capturing that. So I have to go back to the YouTube page. And one of the important things that I might want to do is maximize the page. So I record the full screen of it. Okay, and I moved my cursor out the way. And now I am recording the full screen. The only reason why you're hearing my voice is because I am using another recording device to record this tutorial for you. This is really it. So now I'm done. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go back to my OBS right here. And I'm gonna push stop. Okay, so boom, it stopped. So now you're probably now wondering, okay, now where do I see this video at? Where does it go? I need to find this video. Okay, so now you easily go to your folder. Okay, once you go on your folder, you go on this PC. Once you go on your PC, you go to your videos, because that's the default. This is where it goes. And it should appear at the top. How do I find it? You go on date. Look at today's date. What is today's date? Today's the 12th, right? I'm looking at 10/12 right here. If you don't see that, maybe it's all on the bottom, and you may need to click on date to make sure that it appears on the top. So now I'm going to click on this, right? And then you're going to see that this is my video. Okay, I'm going to scroll. All right, so this is my video, and that's it. And that's my video. And basically, this is how you record or capture a screen if you had a single laptop. If you had a single laptop. Now, here is how to capture a second screen. Bonus. This is a bonus right here. How do I capture another screen? Boom. You're going to hit on your same capture my monitor. This is what you named it, right? And then that little box appeared, properties for capture my monitor, that appears. Now you're going to go on display. You're going to scroll to the bottom. You're going to see this little display right here. And it's displaying your primary monitor. Why does it say primary? Because I got a secondary monitor. So I'm going to click on this, go to your right, click on this, and it's going to give you a drop down of display 2. So on my display 2 is basically what I want to capture. Boom, boom. And now I'm capturing my other monitor, and it's so much easier because now all you got to do is just push record the same way you did and pick whatever YouTube video that you want. It's a lot easier, okay? So let me know what you think of this video. Let me know how it worked for you. Comment in this video underneath this description. Let me know. Let me know. If you have any trouble, I will answer those questions and help you in how to capture a screen. It's really simple. I made this video kind of long because I kind of wanted it to be something that you use as a guide just to create that. It's really simple. Follow the instructions. If you have any problems, come to me. You want to know anything else, let me know and I'll create that. All right. Again, I'm Slimmy V, and this is CCV Media Production. All right. That's crystal clear vision, trying to make things just a little bit more clearer. I'm out. God bless, stress less, and let Yahweh do the rest. Peace.